Hey, I'm Ben Hayman. Now, we can all agree that the less insecticides and pesticides we use in the garden, the better. So today I'm going to share a few little tips that'll keep the pests away and your family safe. Now, the first thing we can do is we make our plant as healthy as possible. We do this by regularly feeding, watering and mulching. The stronger the plant, the more pest resistant it is. The second thing we can do is we can actually plant some plants like these that repel the insects, like the mites and the aphids. We call this companion planting, and some of the plants that really work are chrysanthemums, mint, petunia, garlic, lavender and rosemary. Now on the flip side of that, we can plant some plants like these ones here that not only look great, but attract beneficial insects like the bees and the lady beetles. Now some of these plants are Queen Anne's lace, yarrow, daisies, catmint, chamomile, borage, and most plants that have a purple flower. The third thing we try to do is avoid chemical insecticides wherever possible, especially the broad spectrum ones that kill just as many good insects as they do bad. Now, if you're getting invaded and you really do need to spray, I recommend using an eco neem or an eco oil. These ones are organically certified and they're safe for the bees, but most importantly, you and your family. The fourth thing we can do is we can install a little insect hotel. This encourages pollinators and beneficial insects into your garden by giving them a little place to live, and if you choose the right one, it can look pretty cute too. When installing the hotel, you want to try and have it about 1 to 1.5 meters above the ground and facing northeast. Now if that's not possible, then a semi-shaded area will be just fine. So there you have it. Some nice easy tips to keep the bad insects away and your garden nice and healthy.